Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahira Nabila binti Shuaib. First of all, I would like to say really sorry because we have to do this kind of method because of our internet problem and all of the stuff that we need to do like this kind of method. So I would like to present or telling you about IoT. IoT is actually the Internet of Things, which is can insert into our device. And as example, like that was have a sensor at our car that can give us a signal if there were have anything problem into our car, such as if the pressure of the tire getting lower, so we can know about that. And next, it also work on the embedded devices such as processor, which the processor can share the sensor data that connected with the IoT gateway. So it's really useful. And next is does not need to use any human to take a part in this technology. So actually human can use this technology, can use this device, can talk with this device, maybe to find the direction and so on. So IoT is also can connect with a AI system that allow to process data and make it easier, even easier than what we thought. The important things is IoT is actually really helpful for human, for people nowadays that always have a lot of things to do with the multitasking world. So this is by using this IoT is actually helpful to make our work become easier and doesn't need to take a lot of time towards that work. So the benefit is, of course, people can monitoring their own business toward this IoT. So they just need using this device, then they can keep updating and keep improve their business using this device. So this is also good for agriculture, which is if we use IoT, we actually can collect the data to set up the rainfall. It's really helpful. We doesn't need the old system, so this is really helpful for everybody to make the work even easier and having a lot of production. So of course, all of the things in this world having their own pro and cons. So the pro is actually it's really help people. It's really making our work getting easy, and it just taking just a few times to settle up on our work. But the cons is if we are not keep updating with our device, it's actually having a high possibility for the hacker to hack our own personal data and also our information. So if we are keep updating, we actually can avoid our data from the hacker to hack our information. So the advice is actually yes, we have to keep updating it because they always have a lot of feature in the system. Whenever that we update it, it will be like more hacker become, whenever that people want to entering or want to hack our system or our information, that will have a lot of things that they need to fill in. So if we update our information, our device, so it will be kind of tricky for bad people or the hacker to hack our system or our information. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ilya Hayani binti Idris. Today, I would like to share about IIoT. Okay, what is IIoT? IIoT is Industrial Internet of Things. Okay, and IIoT refers to the extension and use of the Internet of Things (IoT) in industrial sectors and application. With a strong focus on machine-to-machine communication, the IIoT enable industries and enterprises to have a better efficiency and reliability in their operation. The IIoT encompasses industrial application, including robotics, medical devices, and software-defined production processes. The convergence of IT and OT provides industries with greater system integration in terms of automation and optimization, as well as better visibility of the supply chain and logistics. In the context of fourth industrial revolution, the IIoT is the integral to how cyber-physical systems and production processes are set to transform with the help of big data and analytics. In a broader context, the IIoT is crucial to use cases related to connected ecosystem or environments, such as how cities become smart cities and factories become smart factories. Okay, and then the consistent capturing and transmitting of data among smart devices and machines provide industries and enterprises with many growth opportunities. So the last one is by adopting connected and smart devices, business are enabled to gather and analyze greater amounts of data at a greater speed. Okay. The questions that I've got from my friends is, by adopting connected and smart devices, it is not only will enhance scalability and performance. What are the other? Okay. To my friends, I would like to give my answer for this question, which is what the other things that by adopting connected and smart devices, it can also bridge the gap between the production floors and general office. Integration of the IIoT can give industrial entities a more accurate view of how their operations are moving along and help them make informed business decisions. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Wonder Shafiqah binti Faizal, and today I will be talking about Internet of Things, IoT, focusing on textile industry. Textile is the most needed industry for digital transformation. Very rightly so. It is at the forefront of the adoption of latest technologies. The textile industry has always been a very labor-intensive industry, and with advancements in technology, especially technologies such as IoT and artificial intelligence, it has been able to achieve a high degree of automation over the complete textile fabrication process. The textile industry has come a long way from the good old days of handcrafting to today's highly technology-driven industry. The industry has transformed itself. First, Internet of Things focusing on textile industry, which is spinning. Spinning involves 11 processes, yes, 11. 11 different intermediate processes such as bale inventory warehouse, blow room, carding department, pre-draw frame, lap winder, comber, draw frame, and roving frame, ring spinning or speed frame or e-spinning, winding, and TFO. Across all these processes, it is important to collect the data in real time, monitor to production and quality, ensure appropriate scheduling, and have an interface with the ERP system. So, this unit uses automation to ensure real-time visibility of the manufacturing process. The IoT integration is helping this unit in highlighting the weak points in the production process, and thereby reduce the machine stop time and downtime. With reduced paperwork and automated data collection, the decision support is optimal and the unit has optimized scheduling and logistics. Next is weaving. We learned that this monitors and synchronizes all the manufacturing and logistic activities within the weaving mill. It has various subunits including sectional warping, sizing, weaver's beam stock, weaving loom, loom shed, or variety looms of different make, configuration, version, customization, and closed beam stock. Through the IoT-enabled automation, the unit is able to gather real-time data, do production monitoring, analytics, benchmarking, and scheduling, manage inventory management, and also do the ticket printing. Through optimized production schedule, real-time visibility of the manufacturing process, and automatic data collection, the unit has been able to increase its efficiency by as high as 10% compared to manual process. Lastly is processing. This unit, which is the processing, is probably the most complex unit with processes such as batching, de-sizing, dyeing, sulfurization, singeing, stanter, and mercerization. But the automated system is doing a perfect job of automatic monitoring and analytics on the top of the number of being produced, recipe management, individual production versus target, machine monitoring and stoppage, and overseeing the overall machine health. The plant level daily MIS reports including production efficiency, actual production, conversion and invisible loss, specific energy consumption per kilometer of yarn or fabric, and waste percentage are helping to stakeholders in optimizing the performance of the units. So that is the Internet of Things IoT focusing on textile industry for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nova Najwa binti Muhammad. Okay, before this, Ilya has explained about what is IIoT. Now I will also explain IIoT, but now I will focus in textile industry. Okay, as we know, textile industry also developed to digitization for quality improve in fabric production, finishing, production management, and inventory management. So from this advance, we can get many advantage such as higher productivity, more efficiency, better quality for fabric product, and something like that. Okay, as we know, in textile industry have many problems and challenges. For example, is human and machine safety, and less maintenance, energy savings, and self-diagnostics. Okay, and still many factories using old machines and operating manually and semi-automatic. Okay, so with exiting the IIoT, we have one solution. What is the solution? Okay, the solution is BNR for industrial automation. That is holistic automation for machinery and equipment. Okay, it was founded in 1979 in the state of Upper Austria. Okay, VR solution have many system, many machine. Okay, what is the machine? What is the system? Okay, First is April, but this April have many types. April common, April almond, April PDA. Okay, first I will explain about April common. APROL common. Okay, this system monitors the health of machinery, making it ideal for implementing condition-based predictive maintenance. It also makes it possible to acquire, process and assess relevant condition parameter and can be set up with minimal efforts. Okay, so many things it can do. Next, we move to April Almond system. Okay, as we know, there is also BNR solution for measuring, recording, and evaluating all relevant energy usage to provide optimal support for the continuous improvement process. Because April Almond is standalone solution, there is no risk in integrating it into existing automation solution. Okay, the last one is April PDA. April PDA supports acquisition of raw data directly from the production level in real time. Then it centralized seamless acquisition of operating and process data from machines and equipment is now much easier. This online monitoring delivers the information what the company want of what the factory need. When the factory need it, it will deliver, like give best system, best way to best solution. Okay, so that's all what I want to explain to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy and thank you so much.
Okay, for the next one is the recommendation towards the textile machines or textile technology. Yeah. So basically, based on what I have read in the internet, that was have a lot of textile machines for produce a fabric every single day. But I'm interested with the one of the textile machine, which is we call as jacquard loom. Jacquard loom is actually the old-fashioned machine. It was pretty old because that was the first one before the like a computer and so on. The technology is coming. So for jacquard loom, it's actually they are operating like really simple, but it's really make me like feeling interesting to know more about this jacquard loom. So jacquard loom, first of all, they need to design the design, any kind of design into the paper. I don't know what we call the paper is, but the professional worker will creating any kind of design towards that paper, and then they will express the design into the cardboard, or we call it as punch card. Yeah, punch card. So they're having like their own machine to click on and to design the design into the punch card. So the next one is the punch card will be like in the machine, and the machine will working on, and it will coming out as the pretty fabric as a production. So actually this machine needs some more maybe we can adding something or change something to making it become easier to use and can produce a lot of production every day, because this machine is actually required a worker to push or to pull the attachment and also a gear to make sure that the machine is keep moving. So it's actually not really convenient, because we have to use energy from human to make a move, to make sure that the machine is keep moving. So I think, why not, if we are attached that machine with the new technology or with the IoT technology, maybe we can connect that machine with the computer system. Then we as a human, we can just control it towards the computer system, and all the data is on the computer, so we can see if they have any error on the fabric or any kind of problem towards the machine. So I think this is the best way if we attach this jacquard loom. Instead of using a worker energy, we attach it with the computer system. So the computer will control all over the thing about the pressure, about the how many fabric that we can make in a day, and any kind of problem that happening into the machine, so we can identify it as soon as possible. So yeah, it's really convenient, and doesn't need a lot of worker, and we can actually cut a lot of cost there. Instead of hiring a lot of worker, a lot of human energy, we use this kind of method to cut costs and making our production getting increasing day by day. So I think that was my idea, or I think my opinion towards this kind of machine to keep upgrading, and yeah, that would have a lot of benefit if we upgrade it. Okay, so it cutting our cost, it's making our production getting increasing every day, and so on. So that's it.